Hey my peeps, let's make a mini candy corn milkshake for our tea trays. So you're going to get these mini cups from Dollar Tree, and you're going to take some of your tacky glue and you're going to put it inside the cup, and you're going to take the glue and spread it all around inside that cup, because we're going to add sprinkles to the inside of this cup, okay? So get whatever sprinkles you want. I got some like Jimmy's, and then I got some little tiny candy corn. You can find these sprinkles at Play Code 3. I have a discount code if you're interested. You're going to want to just put those in your cup, all over the inside of your cup. And you can get a stick, like a toothpick or something, and move those sprinkles around so that they cover the area well, and you don't have a bunch of one sprinkle in one spot. Okay, so just take your time and move them around. Now you got to let this cup dry overnight. It got to be 100% dry, because we're going to put our spackling mixture on the inside, and you're going to need for it to be dry so that the sprinkles won't move around, okay? So now I'm starting with yellow, because it's going to be candy corn, and candy corn is yellow at the bottom. So you just smear that around inside the cup. Make sure you cover those sprinkles good, and you fill it up to as much as you feel like you want it, as high as you want it to go, okay? And make sure you remove any of the spackle that gets caught at the top, okay? Now you're going to go in there with some orange, and just going to smear that up in there. Make sure you smear it pretty good. Just wipe off any excess, because at the top it's going to be white, and you don't want any of those colors to be showing at the top where the white is going to be, okay? So now I'm going to move on to the white, but I'm going to wipe it down first. Make sure I get rid of all that yellow and orange residue, and then I'm going to add the white. Just go in there and smear that white. And you're also going to need some of the spackle for the top, so where we're going to do our swirl. Just make sure you get good coverage, especially of the white, because you don't want it to like be see-through and stuff. So I'm going to wipe it down one more time just to make sure I got everything off of there. That looks pretty good. So I just got a little piece of cardstock, and I just put it on top. I didn't even put like a toothpick or anything on the inside, because of the little bit of spackle that's in there was just holding it up. Now you don't want to put a lot of pressure when you do this part. You just want to cover it on the top. Then you're going to go and make your little swirl up at the top. And now I have some crumble, candy corn crumble. Y'all excuse my dog, because you know dogs are like kids. They just do what they want when they want. Sorry about that. But then I got 2 paper straws, and I cut 2 little pieces off, and this is like a bronze color and a yellow color, so it is orange. It just doesn't look like orange. And then I got some candy corns, and I put one here and one there. You put as many as you want, and there you go. There's our candy corn, a mini candy corn milkshake. Hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.